It's the time of the year where most, if not all, your planner stuff are coming in. And I just got my pal planner, and we're gonna be doing an unboxing. And maybe if I have enough time, maybe do the setup as well. This is gonna be my journal for 2025. Obviously, I ordered this through Anna. Anna is the owner of stationarycafe.com, and though I can order directly, I just rather that I order through her. And there are more coming, really. So I decided that it this could be a good idea to just do it part by part, or like item per item, to give all, yeah, so I can be able to talk about each item properly and not rushing, and maybe give enough details as to why this is what I'm using for 2025. There are a few changes with the PAL planner because it used to be associated with Kukuyo, and now it is independently produced, and it's independently produced by a Japanese factory. So I'm not quite sure about those details yet, but yeah. So I believe the planner is going to be a little thicker than the previous one because I think the GSM was now 80 or 79 ish. I can't remember anymore what the past one was. Typical Anna freebies right here. But yeah, I'm not sure anymore what the previous weight of the papers were and other stuff. But in the old um books, sorry. This is going to be in the B6 size. I've used the pad planner last 2023. Am I correct? Yeah, I used it 2023. One of the main considerations for getting this for 2025 is that I know as early as now that I will be traveling. And if I do travel, when I do travel, of course I want to take photos, and this time I want to be prepared. I wanted something more spacious than the A6, but not too big nor chunky as the A5. And I also know that I want something in a weekly. Well, I'm never gonna be able to fill out a day in a page, a day per page setup. Oh, it is chunky. So each planner comes with this like little sneak peek on what you're getting. Unfortunately, it doesn't come in English, but basically, this is your setup for the planner itself. You have your monthly at the start. It has this monthly view also. Your weekly is the usual 1 week on one spread. And there it is. So I'm excited for this. Oh, yeah, you also have a year in a glance, and we'll see through it when we go through the book. So it comes with a test paper. You can try out your fountain pen inks, your stamps, on how they're gonna hold with, especially since it's a new paper. I actually don't remember it having new paper. Anyway, so what I like about this the most is that the graph grids are smaller, and considering my handwriting, I do like it kind of smaller. And this is where I usually am able to write two lines in a grid box, but we'll see. But this is the planner, and I got it in cream. It's available in pink too, but we all know I'm not gonna get the pink. It does feel a lot thicker and more hefty. Wow, it is thick. The planner really is thicker than it was before. This planner starts you off with a yearly calendar. It has your previous year, it has your present. Well, I'm of course speaking that it's like 2025 already. So it has your previous, your present, and the following year after. The pages are significantly thicker and you can feel it. So you have your entire month, sorry, you have your entire year at a glance. And it really does feel thicker. One of my favorite things about this book is that it starts in December. And it starts December 1. And I can actually use this as November ends. Oh, sorry. I just found my old pal planner, and this is how thin it was. Sorry to cut that, but I found my 2023 planner. So I wanted to show you the difference in how thick it is and why I sound like I'm so amazed that it's significantly thicker and the pages are really thicker as well. I believe the previous page or the previous planner pages were smoother, but this is really thicker. So you can see that right here. I hope my old cover fits because I did order the new cover as well, but of course I still want to use my old green cover. Anyway, so the year at a glance. And oh yeah, so another thing that I like about this is that instead of just making everything like all monthly, all weekly, and then daily, is that it groups it together already. So you have your monthly, and then weekly follows, and then it's gonna be your monthly again. So I prefer a setup like this rather than having it like, I don't know, in sections. This is what I had in mind. So this area is going to be where I put future plans. Let's say I know that the company Christmas party is going to be on the 6th, but this page, since it's not going to be exactly for future planning or anything, I want this page to be the photo page or anything that just made the month memorable. Like I know I had a monthly on my take a note and I put small pictures on it, and that's going to be kind of the same idea of what I had here. And if you notice, the area that you have to write in for your dailies is smaller really than the usual, but if this is something that you're going to use as a planner, I think it's fine. But for me, especially that I want to use it as a journal, I'm really excited because I don't really write as much. And hang on, I'm gonna try to look for an older spread on how it's going to look like in case you're not familiar of how I used it before. But I really did enjoy it. So this is how I used it before. I do want to like see there. I do want to keep pictures on it, and yeah. And another thing is that the corners are rounded, so I don't have to punch them one by one, corner punch them one by one. And it also comes with a bookmark, which I eventually will cut. Sorry. As the book ends, you're gonna have like a couple of checklist pages. I believe these are 8 pages of checklists, and a few more blank graph pages at the back that you can just use. It has a total of 192 pages, 196. Oh yeah, it's at the back. And oh sorry, it's already written below. So you have 198 pages. So this is what I'm going to be using for 2025. I'm still not sure if we're going to be setting this up together, but first, let's see what the freebies are. I'm not sure if this comes in every package because I did this for a pre-order. It comes with a Pilot juice pen. Unfortunately, I can't use this because it's just way too thick. But we'll see. We'll see. And I believe it also comes with stamps. Ooh, this is cute. So it has it has a to-do list and a done list. There you go. To do and done. Assuming I actually get things done. This is cute na. And it comes with, I actually don't know what this is. It's a little pouch. Are you serious? Why do I find this so cute? It's so cute. Oh, so it comes with a little pouch. And the first thing I'm gonna do with this pouch is spray it with fabric protector, because this is gonna get dirty because it's so light. But it's so cute and puffy. Huh. Like that. So I first wanna try if it's going to still fit my old cover. I hope it does, because I really like my cover. But there are times that I feel like I'm just gonna be using my, the plastic cover that it came in. So we'll see. But of course, I still hope this fits, because this was meant for a thinner pal planner. This was intended for a skinnier pal planner. I'm not chunk shaming anything, because chunk shaming is bad. But let's hope it fits. So I really still want to use this cover. This is from Noted Journal. She's a local creator, or leather creator too. And damn you, Chunky. Hang on. It fits. I'm so happy it still fits. It fits. So I still get to use this. And yay. And it lays flat. Most importantly, it lays flat. And I'm really happy it fits. So I like it so much. So yeah, ideally it's smaller than an A5. It's bigger than an A6, and it's still something that I can bring with me when I travel, because I'm looking forward to 2025's travel plans. And yeah, so that's the pal planner for you. I'll leave all the details in the description box below, like better than the way I said it. And maybe I'll set it up with you. But at least I was able to finish this unboxing, and maybe the setup could be like another part. But anyway, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I have this gray ink that I used to try on stamping the done list, and for the to-do list, this is the ink that I used. I don't know if this is a real ink, because I just got this and I surely wanted the black ink. And I need to show you the back part. So there is no feathering. I'm going to be trying to do this with one hand, because I have no place to like put my phone to have this kind of angle. So, and the back is fine. Oops. There. That's the back part. And you're fine. No bleeding whatsoever. And that's the test page for the pal planner for you guys.